Hello, you are watching video number 4 of the series where I am sharing some amazing but easy hacks to heal from trauma by rewiring your body and brain. These practices are grounded in neuroscience and psychology. These are practical steps to support your journey towards recovery. These methods work right away to help you release intense emotions, stuck energy from body as well. And these are not as hard as you might assume. Before we go into it, let me tell you a short story to give you some hint of today's hack. One of my previous client, Robert, at age 62, he was a former accountant. He felt lost. For decades, his days were filled with balance sheets and boardrooms. But retirement brought silence. Being alone at home and an emptiness, his old emotional wounds start opening up and suppressed traumas start opening up. It was like as if ghosts from the past were visiting him every day, which he had earlier buried under hard work. He found himself restless, bitter, overcautious about everything, and unhappy without any apparent reason in daily life. So, by working with me, instead of sinking into trauma generated by isolation, he started doing this trauma hack. And it was, he started learning new language class. At first, it was a distraction, but as weeks turned into months, something began to shift in him. He was not just learning nouns and verbs and new language, he was building new roads inside his brain, and those roads we call neuropathway. His emotional fog began to lift. The trauma he had held in his chest for decades no longer felt so heavy. He was able to revisit and rephrase his past, and it was not bitter this time. Did you guess what hack he practiced to overcome trauma? I kind of mentioned in the story. Well, the name of this hack is learning new skills and building new neural pathways. If you are new here, hello and welcome everyone. My name is Riya and I am a certified mental health professional. I feel very grateful to share that I have helped hundreds of people in my daily practice of like more than a decade. I have helped people overcoming emotional and mental health issues using neuroscience-based information, tips, techniques, and skills which anyone can easily practice in their daily life. Coming back to topic. Now think of your brain as a dense forest. Trauma creates ruts, well-worn trails of negative thoughts and reactions that you unconsciously follow again and again, sometimes with triggers and sometimes it happens on its own without any trigger. But learning a new skill can be like picking up a knife and forging a new trail in that forest. You don't erase the old path, but you create a better route to travel. One that leads to confidence, curiosity, control, freedom, and happiness. Now you may question, why should I do this hard work of learning a new skill? And how does it work? How is it related to trauma? Well, when you are not doing anything for your own betterment, that's not making your life any better or easier anyways. So in comparison of those consequences and hardships, focusing on learning healthy skills, new mental pattern is much better choice. Whenever you are challenging your brain by learning something new, dancing, cooking, painting, coding, juggling, word puzzle, you are activating neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is brain's ability to reorganize and form new neuroconnections. These new connections can literally rewire how you think, feel, and respond to the world, past, present, future. By learning new skills, you are also replacing old patterns shaped by trauma with healthier, more empowering alternatives. When the brain is improving in one area, it also start improving in other areas. And this is not hypothesis or wishful thinking, it is science. Did you know that award-winning actress Viola Davis credits her transformation not only to therapy but to constantly learning new skills outside of her acting career, like producing, writing, and even spiritual practices? She grew up in extreme poverty, facing racism. She once said, "The only way to change my life was to make myself uncomfortable in learning new things." By pushing her brain and herself, im- her imposed mental blocks, she reprogrammed her emotional responses. She built resilience and now she inspires millions. If you are looking to learn and practice highly effective mental health related techniques and methods all at one place, you are welcome to buy my book, Heal Your Inner Child. Is there on Amazon, and the link is in the description box below. In this book, I put together a lot of methods, amazing methods, which I practice with my clients, and all of these have been practiced in mental health world since long time. So they are for self practice whenever you're not feeling good. Another example to get inspired is Will Smith. Will Smith has publicly discussed childhood trauma and personal challenges. He used skill building to stay grounded. He started learning piano in his 40s and also learned storytelling for YouTube. He believes that learning new things help him keeping his demons in check. That's his own words. For him, skill acquisition is not just about growth, it's about self mastery. Mastery of acknowledging old patterns and building new healthy patterns. What all of this will mean for you is to practice this mental hack every day. Learn something new every day, feel uncomfortable, and keep doing it until you become really good at it. So, whether you are picking up photography, pottery, a new language, new dance, new instrument, every new skill you learn is like flipping a light switch in a dark room in your mind. When you are doing something new, you are telling your brain, I am capable, I matter, I am not stuck, I am not helpless. I hope you are finding this video helpful. So it would make sense if you like, share and subscribe so that you could continue receiving my videos without looking for them, and videos can help others as well. In addition to this hack, I would like to advise that do not force yourself into new things because others are doing it, or you have expectation that it will fix your brain and life. Give yourself some time to explore and see if it is giving you an innocent, childlike happiness. If yes, then go for it. If no, then don't do it, even if whole family is doing it and whole friend group is doing it. You need to connect with your inner self and take time to feel if this particular hobby or interest is in alignment with your definition of happiness. Everything is not for everybody. It needs to be customized. So now it's your turn. What will you try? Maybe you have always wanted to learn to play guitar or bake or understand how to do sketching, how to do painting, anything. Um, you can pick from your childhood or leftover dream and just go into it without high expectations. Now, I would repeat what I always say in every video, that if you are struggling to take even single simple baby step, I would advise you to get professional help. Do not keep living with emotional injuries. You are worth of living a happy and fulfilling life just the way you want it. You are the creator. If you want to improve yourself non medicinally, you can reach out to me. I am professionally trained and experienced in EMDR and EMDR intensives, which are internationally popular methods to help people not just living with traumas, but any emotional issue, any mental block, and breaking off unhealthy habits. I can help you if you let me. So, thank you for being here and taking care of yourself. When you are taking care of yourself, others around you are also healing. I hope you find this video helpful. I will meet you next time. Oh, yes, don't forget to watch other videos in this series to learn other simple, easy trauma healing hacks which work right away and work for a long time. Bye for now. Take care.